Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Let's take a look at the updates for SEI USDT trading pair with my custom set. So technically, guys, I would like to focus more on local zones because we almost invalidate the initiation accumulation pump model because the listing price on Binance was in zone 23, and we track that model since the stock listed on Binance 3 years ago, almost 3 years ago. It was August 23, the 64 cents round number. Now we sit at 64 and the 5. So we almost sweep the listing price low. Not 64, 6 cents 45. So 6 cents 4 and 6 cents 45 now. So it's kind of weird, how it even possible. So all these brand new tokens, super utility, super fundamental projects perform like this one in the last few years. And people say, oh no, all market is crashed. No, guys, not all market is crashed. We have some example of hyperliquid project. So it's a pretty good system, pretty good solid staking system, when the team not sell their own token. So we got an example of the healthy, normal project startups, and we get a product. So at least the SEI got a pretty good numbers of daily uses. It's good. It's shown us so the people use it, and I believe all of this, not all, but many altcoins will recover, but not to the all-time highs. But SEI, I think, if everything will be okay, at least will be over than 74 cents. So it's an amazing result, I guess. And for this cycle, guys, so this result is just amazing. 1000% for this type of market. It's just a mind-blowing result. I don't think so. The SEI will hit the new all-time high in the upcoming years, right? I can be absolutely wrong, right? But what I found on the previous cycles, we can form something like 1, 2, 3 drops. After that, we break this high and not break the all-time high. And maybe after the years, we come back and break the all-time high. Is it possible to hit the new all-time high this year, next year, or in the next upcoming years? Yes, guys, absolutely possible. It's just my thoughts about this token, guys. I just share my idea. I don't have a crystal ball. I'm not insider. I'm not a market maker. So that's why I share just my simple idea. Of course, to talk about uptrend move, we need to break the main structure, the weekly time frame, like 38 cents. Would like to talk about a global reversal move to potential all-time highs. If we talk about a local one, at least we need to break the pump over the 100% to break the 1361. So at least 13 cents. So impulse, we need to break the structure, correction, and talk about a break of structure on a daily. Here's the daily uses, guys, here. Let's go here. In 30 days, over than almost 1.5 1,500,000 people use daily active addresses. It doesn't mean that it's individual. No, it can be that one owner can operate with, 5 wallets, for example. Some people use the multi-hacking, some people get a few addresses, but at least it's a active network. So it's a good one. What is bad, guys, but it's revenue. The SEI generates in 24 hours only $400 revenue. Imagine. Of course, I understand it's a pretty cheap network, right? But it's not that what we're looking for. Here, I don't know how it even possible and what's the point of that spike over than 20K, right? But technically, this is the latest revenue of the SEI network. 200, now it's 438. So this is a network revenue also. So guys, I recommend you just double check this data if you like to analyze the fundamental metrics, right? But this is not what drive the price. All of this charts is pretty good one. SEI network stablecoin transaction wall. Why nobody use the stable coins? Why people stop using the SEI network for the stable coins since June 5? Why? What was the reason? June 5. Something bad happened? Basically not. Why? Why at this top, the people stop using the SEI for the stablecoins transaction? It's kind of weird, but it's just a fact what we get now. And here, chain revenue to $441. It's literally nothing, for the project like this one. Technically, guys, of course, the break of structure I showed you. Let's double check the with indicator set. What's going on now? I truly believe that SEI has potential more than SUI, for example, if we talk about a price action, because the SEI is here at the all-time low historical one and the SEI in the middle. So based on risk ratio, right, or risk reward, SEI get more potential for the upside move. This is accumulation on the weekly. It's good. It's bullish one. This is accumulation since January 26 on direction indicator on the weekly. It's bullish. Definitely it's bullish. Since October 75, we're in capitulation zone on the weekly time frame on the market mode. It's bullish. What I'm looking for, it's a dump to sweep that, confirm the sweep of historical low, one tick, all the line, and the same story can be with the Aptos, not Aptos, Arbitrum. Arbitrum can drop under 10 cents. Drop to the accumulation zone, touch it, right? Touch the bottom of direction on a monthly, and see some disbelief on a monthly time frame. So this is what I'm looking for. Can we drop and go and add 1020? Yes, of course, because if we sweep the low of listing price, there is no support, nothing. There is just open space, price discovery mode, a bearish one. So be careful, guys. But I think if all market wide sector of the altcoins will recover, SEI will be one of the first one which perform pretty good one. Money power here. This is a money in on the weekly. Monthly, first time in history since this indicator starts showing the data from December 24. We see the money in accumulation January, February by whales. So all this time period, you could just skip the noise, ignore it, and don't touch this token. Only now you can start accumulate the SEI. I think everything will be okay with this token, but it's never a mistake withdraw initial deposit. So 7 cents you bought, 14 withdraw initial deposit, leave free tokens, and move on. Daily, some signals to buy. Here, the good signal, guys. So this is a really good signal because it's a confirmation we saw the take profit from the sales. I showed a few examples even on the Polkadot, so we need to wait the confirmation. So we need to wait on the trade on the weekly time frame. Even if we want belief, one day this confirmation, this money back will appear in our charts. Just better wait. If we not see and rebound, it's okay. Just better skip the token. But here it was a sell, drop, sell the last one signal in the March 24, and you could just close the chart, add alert to the money back, and wait when you need to close on a weekly time frame, like sales even on the spot. And now, last week we saw the take profit. In the next few weeks, I guess we will see the signal to buy. Let's add alert, guys. And if you think it's random, it's not random because you can track on different time frames. And we saw a lot of examples. So here, recent one, we saw the money inflow on the link. I added in January 26 for link on the daily, money in, XPL, finally. Saturday, 17 January, I add alerts. Monday, 23 February, it's triggered. Take profit signal on H bar. It's from the latest one. Buy line on Ethereum. Ethereum USDT. I added that alert on the video in Saturday, beginning of August, 25. And imagine, after over the half year, this alert triggered because we reached the buy line on the daily time frame. Sometimes you could even imagine, but it's a fact. The same story for the XRP. So sometimes, guys, better just use the indicator, just add alert and wait. Even if you think it's impossible to reach that target, or it's impossible to reach that level of listing price, for example. The same story, just add alert to buy and wait. And it will be not a mistake. Of course, we can't predict the time. We can't predict the macro in the world. Maybe we see the signal to buy, and after that, some exchange delist this token. We can't predict. The same story with the Cardano. Cardano was a pretty good project, but after that, the thing just shut down and all exchanges just in I blink deleted this token. We can't predict the news, we can't predict the macro, we can't predict the geopolitics in the world, we can't predict even what will happen with our own life in the next few seconds. But it gives us the more like we one step forward from the crowd. That's why congrats everybody who track the SEI with alerts, because you save a lot of time, a lot of nerves, a lot of stable coins, and not waste the time with the DCA. Because the people who trade without this type of indicators, I highly recommend you use this one, SEI, and the people on every single drop, the influencers shield you to buy the deep. It's a big mistake, right? Because you wasted the stable coins, you waste the time. And at the end of the 3 years, you just sit without a stable coins, you froze with a not good average entry. And only after that take profit signal, for example, from the sales, now you can start use DCA. So guys, be careful. Add alert to buy and wait. And the last indicator, you will be also impressed, but it's a take profit. I showed you, so we can drop to the buy line, to the fundamental values. We now trade on the fundamental value. It's bullish. It's extra bullish signal because when we trade, this is we got a price and the value. So value of the SEI is based on this take profit indicator matrix algorithm. It's 1398. Sooner or later, we're going to test the take profit line. It's 3711. So just add alerts also and wait. Daily time frame is more noise. It's for swing trades intraday and some local targets and the trades. Take profit line is 1416 and the exit line 1594. This is it. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in comment what you think about SEI. If you'd like to trade with my customer, because I will show it in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget your Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.